how to reset your school Chromebook. So if you want to reset your school Chromebook, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply follow these steps. So the factory reset Chromebook process is called Powerwash and restores the device to its original settings. So if you want to reset, then the first step is to sign into your Chromebook. Once you've signed in, you will find a settings section. You need to open up your settings, and from the settings, you need to go with the advanced section. Under advanced, you will have reset settings. Once you find the reset settings, you need to click on it, and after that, click on reset and then click on power wash. Once you click on power wash, you'll need to restart. After that, follow the on-screen instructions and confirm the reset. After that, your Chromebook will reboot and return to its factory condition, ready for fresh setup. That's how you can reset your Chromebook, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.